Hey guys, this is Paul from Nihilo Concepts in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to talk about the Nihilo Concepts high pressure radiator cap. This cap is a 2.0 bar as opposed to the stock one, which is 1.8 bar. The 2.0 bar cap will help you prevent overheating and loss of coolant. This type of cap works from the little 50s all the way to the 500s. The replacement of the radiator cap is very easy as long as you have the Nihilo Concepts radiator cap removal tool. I'll show you how it's done. The construction of the cap makes it a little difficult to remove it sometimes. So with the aid of the Nihilo Concepts radiator cap removal tool, all you need is a T-handle. Make sure to align the opening with the overflow hose. Push directly down and twist. And just like that. Once you remove the stock 1.8 radiator cap, you take your new Nihilo Concepts high pressure 2.0 radiator cap, slide the tool over it, push down, and twist. The installation of the Nihilo Concepts high pressure 2.0 bar radiator cap is the same for the 50s. Make sure to use your Nihilo Concepts radiator cap removal tool. Slide it down, push down, twist, and remove. Now you slide your new hose down, install the Nihilo Concepts radiator cap removal tool over it, align it, push down, and twist. And there you have it, guys. That's how easy it is to install the Nihilo Concepts high pressure radiator cap. They're readily available at nihiloconcepts.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.